Sean Diddy is currently standing trial in New York on serious federal charges, including racketeering conspiracy, 2 counts of sex trafficking by force, fraud or coercion, and 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution. He has pleaded not guilty to all charges and denies any wrongdoing, maintaining that his sexual relationships were consensual. Cassie, who is Diddy's ex and 8 months and a half pregnant, testified over several days about a decade-long relationship with Diddy, describing him as a violent narcissist who controlled every aspect of her life, personally, emotionally, and professionally. She accused Combs of physically assaulting her, sabotaging her music career, and coercing her into free-ups, drug-fueled sex parties with male escorts, which Combs allegedly orchestrated, filmed, and used for blackmail. Ventura described this event as meticulously planned by Combs, who detected everything from attire to sexual acts, and said the encounters could last for several days in various cities. She recounted her confusion and distress, stating she felt compelled to participate to please Combs. Meanwhile, Justin Bieber publicly stated he was never a victim of Diddy's alleged crimes. Bieber's representatives emphasized that focusing on him distracts from the real victims and the justice they deserve. Recall that Bieber and Diddy had a public friendship when Bieber was only a teenager, prompting speculation after old videos resurfaced. However, Bieber clarified he was never abused by Diddy in any way. The defense highlighted explicit messages Cassie sent to Diddy, suggesting her participation was consensual. However, Cassie responded that her words did not reflect her true feelings and that she was trying to appease Combs to avoid conflict. She also stated that the defense was omitting important context from her communication. What will happen next? Be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.more to read more about the case, and I'll see you next time.